Right, we're back with a little bit more, let's call it the sustainability of things and the eco side of decorating. Now, we all come up against the same problem of we've got waste of tape and, tape and, what do we call it? Tape and
plastic, single-use plastic.
Tipping my tongue, single-use plastic. Darren's got a product that you might be interested in that does away with that element that you're putting a lot back into landfill or just into the bins that go into the environment. That's we know where we're coming from with that. But it's a product that is I'll let Darren tell us all about it. Sorry.
Sure. Right, yeah, hello. So this is a reusable cloth, drop cloths, if you want to call them or whatever. Basically used with Velcro. And the idea is you only need small little bits of Velcro to attach them onto the kitchen units. This is a kitchen unit we're pretending, and the idea is you just put a little bit of Velcro up there, and they just fix up like so. And it's so easy to use. And at the end, my thing is, if you go into a kitchen or whatever, kitchens and bathrooms are useful. You go in there the first day, you do the filling. You need to go back the next day to continue with the job. So at the end of the day, the customer wants their kitchen back. So they've got to cook, drop the cloths down, they can have their kitchen back. Next day, when you come in, it'll take you 2 minutes to sheet up, leave the Velcro up there, 2 minutes to sheet up the kitchen. To make sure you know which way round it goes, there's an arrow here. That's a long way, 2.7 metres. This is the shorter way, 1.7 metres. I always use it this way, it's for kitchens and bathrooms. Yeah. And the waste, using ours, you get about 3 bits like that. 3-4 bits of, you see that Velcro? Yeah. In comparison to using the drop cloth, single-use plastic, that normally goes to the landfill, which is the main purpose of what we're trying to establish, get rid of the single-use plastic.
Yeah, it's a good idea. I've just felt this because I did ask Darren, I says, what's the weight of it? Because I know when we do kitchens and we've got particularly the heavyweight double twill, you put it on the top and the actual weight of the sheet starts to slip down. Whereas this, because it's a lightweight, it's based on cotton.
Yeah, 70% cotton.
Yeah, 70% cotton. Because it's a lightweight product, the Velcro just I'll use the word strategic places to hold the hook and eye loop around the top of the actual fabric will hold it in place without the fear of it actually slipping down. So it's actually a very good idea. There'll be a link in the description below if you want a little bit more information about it on where to purchase. And you've seen me paid sponsorship. Nobody's paying me, nobody's sponsoring me today. I just want to try and help these smaller companies that have got something a little bit different to show us that you might not have seen before.
I'll just say that because there's two sets of 2 lengths of Velcro, the top length and the side length. So I use them that way, but you can use them that way. The fixed sheet logo shows you which way is which. Yeah. So you find when you're up the top of the steps and you want to put the thing, you find the logo and you know exactly which way the dust sheet goes without having to mess about trying to sort it all out.
Is that on both corners as well, or just on one corner?
This is on that corner. On this particular sheet has 4 fittings. There's one at the end out. There's nothing here. There's one bit here, one bit in the corner because, like I say, you have to. And then one bit up here. What's happened here is because it's overlapped. So that is overlapped there. Yeah. Because you can't. Of
course you can't.
You normally cut the old plastic and stuff. So it's just overlapped there, and then
clever.
Overlapping.
It's one of those things that seems such a simple idea until you've actually thought of it and marketed it yourself. But very, very good. So thank you very much, Dan.
Thank you. Thank you very much.